Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect cells or cell range in Google Sheet. Okay, so I want to just protect this unit column. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just select all the columns which you want to protect. Okay, if you want to protect tables, you have to select all the tables. Okay, whole table range. Then you have to right click, and here you will see view more cell action. Now click on it and go to protect range. Now just click on set permission, and here you can just restrict who can edit this range, only you or custom. And also you can show a warning when edit this range. Okay, so I restrict to the only you, means you can only edit this range, and click on done. So like this you can protect range or cell in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.